What's up people, it's the ZigMan, and I thank you for watching today's video, which I will be discussing the biggest update to the Helium network so far. This update is automatic, and it will eliminate all syncing and relayed statuses, which could mean more stable earnings. Technically speaking, miners will now require less computing power. That means we could see a decrease in the overall price of Helium miners. The downside to this update? Unfortunately, the rewards for lone wolves or secluded miners will go down. Today, we'll be taking a look at what that means for the rest of us miners on the People's Network. Let's dive a bit deeper. But before I dive in, if you find value in this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and check the links in the description below as they'll help you out with what you may need. This update will effectively make all currently running full hotspot miners into light hotspot miners. So what's the difference between the two? A full hotspot can create challenges. It also stores a copy of the Helium blockchain on the miner itself. With light hotspots, there will be no need to store a copy. That will now be the validator's responsibility. This will help our hotspots earn more stable rewards as there will be no more syncing, port forwarding, or relayed issues. Light hotspots require less computing power, so we should eventually see that reflected in its price when compared to full hotspot miners. The downside? We could see our rewards decrease because our hotspots will no longer have the ability to create challenges. That now goes to the validators, which makes up 0.9% of our rewards per epoch before this update. The upside? We'll no longer have erratic downtimes from syncing. It's possible the rewards might just level itself out with no real change to our earnings at all. This excludes lone wolf miners, unfortunately. Lone wolves are hotspots without other hotspots nearby to witness its beacon. They mostly earned H&T by creating challenges, which will now be given to the validators. Now, the only way they can earn is by building their network and transferring data packages between their hotspots. Like it or not, light hotspots are the new wave that the Helium network is now riding on. So, what are your thoughts on this? If you found this information useful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and leave your comments below. It's greatly appreciated, and as always, happy mining, my friends.